Hey friends, so as you can see, I have moved into my new apartment and back there you see the drill and some boxes. I wanted to do a quick empty apartment tour so that you can see what the apartment looks like when it's empty. And I'm gonna, forget it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it right now because I already have things that are in here. And so I'm about to start like moving things in. And so, yeah, so I'm gonna be quiet and let's get into this empty apartment tour, big period. So here we have the front door. And so right by the front door is this 2-door storage, which most people will use this as a coat closet, but I'm gonna use it for storage. And so I'm gonna put all of my luggage in here, any boxes that I don't wanna throw away. So like, for example, I just bought a vacuum, so I'm gonna put the vacuum box in here as well. And just kind of any little things that I'm not using, I'm gonna put in here. So this is the storage door right by the main door. And on the other side is just like this blank wall. And so I'm thinking I'm gonna put like a console table over here, a console table over there. And that's where I put like my keys and umbrella and stuff like that. And so right beside the storage door is my washer and dryer. And so this is my washer and down here is my dryer. Now what I loved about this apartment is that it has like this little linen storage right beside it. And so in here, I'm gonna put like my cleaning supplies. I'm also going to put all of my detergent and stuff like that. And then my towels and things in here. And so right across from the washer and dryer is the guest bathroom. And so this is the bathroom that all my guests is going to use. And so like I told you, the cleaners just came, so they put all that stuff right there. And so I'm just gonna turn the light on. So here you have like lots of storage, which I really loved. They have a lot of storage like this, like the little sliding doors. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna put everything in there. Oh, sorry. So on the other side is the toilet, and you flush using that up there. Then I have like this little towel rack and the shower, which I like that one bathroom had a shower and one had a tub. And for these switches over here, that one can turn that off or it can turn the mirror light on. Which is something that I like, was that it had that mirror light, which I thought was super cute. And so then we go into, let me turn the lights off. Then we go into what is going to be my office space. And so, wow, I don't know what they use, but it smells so good. So this is gonna be my office space. And so how I'm going to do it, because I realized the lighting is better over here. So I'm gonna put my desk and stuff on this side. And over here, I'm just gonna put like my reading nook, and I'm gonna put a gallery wall up there. And in here is another closet. And so in here, I'm going to make this all of my winter clothes. And this is where I'll store my winter clothes, in here. I'm also thinking about putting my dresser in here as well. So that's my office. And out here is a balcony. Nothing special. Oh, they even cleaned the balcony. Wow. Uh-oh. There we go. So I know they cleaned the balcony because when I got my keys yesterday and I looked out here, there was a cicada on the ground and it was dead. So they came out here and cleaned it. So this is my view from my balcony. Lots of greenery, which I really love. And so that's the balcony, nothing too special. So from the balcony and office room, you go into the kitchen and living room, which is my favorite part. Lots of natural light coming in. And so this is my kitchen and living room. And so here in this little area right here where all the natural light is coming in, I'm gonna put a sectional right here going just the way the floor to ceiling windows are. I'm gonna put a sectional right there. I'm gonna put a nice little ottoman in the middle that matches the sectional, and I got some accent chairs. I'm mounting my TV up on the wall, and I'm gonna put a console table under. I don't wanna overcrowd the space because I want it to be very open. And then over here, I have some bar stool chairs that I'm gonna put up under there. I have like a little cart that I'm gonna put over here, and I'm gonna put my flower paintings. I have 2 flower paintings that I'm gonna put on these 2 walls. And I don't really want anything on top of the island kitchen, so it's probably just gonna stay bare like that. Same thing for like my counters. I'm on top of my counters, I definitely will have my Keurig, which is gonna go over there, and my NutriBullet, which is gonna go over there. Over here, it'll probably just be paper towel, and that's it, like just like it is right there from the people. And so my management is, I just wanna make sure. Oh, it's this. It's my ice machine making that noise. Ha ha ha. I was like, what the heck? But my management is Bazzuto, and so this is what they gave, which is really cute. But lots of cabinet space. Lots of cabinet space. Even on the island, lots of cabinet space. So that was great. Here's my stove and my microwave. I really love how big my fridge is because your girl loves to eat. So nice big fridge with lots of space. And I just showed you the freezer. That's the freezer. And ice machine is trying to pump out some ice now. This is just the utility closet. And then over here, oh, it's a light in there. Oh, nice. Let me turn this light off. Okay. So the last room is my bedroom. And so this is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. And I really love that my view is just trees. I think that it's so pretty. Like every time I look at this, I'm just like, wow, this is so pretty. So this is my view. And then when you go down, you can see like the front of the apartment complex. But yeah, this is my room, nice and spacious. And then here's my closet. And so this is where I'm gonna put like my spring and summer clothes, hang up clothes over there. And I could put a light so you guys could see. So that's what it looks like with the light on. And then we have my bathroom. And this is my bathroom. Oh, let me not turn the fan on. So there's the mirror light that I love again. Double sink, lots of storage space. And then it has a tub in here in my bathroom. And friends, that's pretty much it. Like, that's my entire apartment. And there's me. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so if you hear like noise in the background, it's because I'm washing clothes. And this video should have been uploaded like centuries ago. But while I was editing, I realized I did not say goodbye. I did not do a closing. So, wow, I need to do better, Alicia. Like, come on. But that is why I look different from my intro. So yeah, this video was super short. It was just to show you like my empty apartment, I'm gonna figure out how to say it. My empty apartment before I started putting things in. Like I literally still am putting stuff into the apartment. And the next video that I show, like as far as my apartment is related, is probably gonna be like a furnished apartment tour, so you can see how I decorated, because I was listening to like what I was saying, where I was putting stuff, and I actually did not do some of that stuff. So it'll be interesting for you to see it. But yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. I definitely have been getting a lot of people asking me on Instagram to do like hair and makeup videos. So let me know if I did like hair and makeup videos, would y'all watch it or no? Because I'm not gonna do it, y'all not gonna watch it. So all right, friends, bye.